Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is an easy and delicious snack, pineapple fritters. You can pair them up with a cup of tea or coffee or enjoy as it is as a midday snack. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, take 1 cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now add salt to taste. Now using a whisk or a spoon, mix the dry ingredients well. Now add 3/4 cup of water to the dry ingredients. Mix well to form a smooth and lump-free batter. So you would have noticed that the batter is a little thick in consistency and it will be difficult to coat the pineapples in such a thick batter. So add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. So this is the consistency that we require, not too runny but thick enough to coat the pineapples. So before preparing the pineapples, I've taken a frying pan and I've filled it up with oil. So let's heat up the oil to shallow fry the fritters. I have taken a medium-sized pineapple over here and I have removed the core and sliced the pineapple into 1/2 inch thick slices. Let's keep the pineapple slices aside and take another plate, and to this let's add about 1/2 cup of plain flour or Maida. Now using your hands, just gently spread the flour. Now take the pineapple slices and coat each of them in the dried flour. This step is important to remove the moisture from the pineapple slices and it will help to coat them well in the batter. Shake off the excess flour and dip the coated pineapple in the batter. Now gently remove the excess batter and carefully place them into the hot oil. Fry the pineapple fritters on medium flame for about 4 minutes. In about 4 minutes, the fritters will start to turn golden brown in color. So flip the fritters and cook it for another 2 minutes. Alright, so our fritters are ready now. So let's carefully take them from the hot oil and drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil. And our fritters are ready. Serve them hot with a cup of tea or coffee. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys again with another scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.